I never thought I'd be a hair oiling girly because I have a sensitive scalp. Like, I just can't do oils. I've been off them for years, but this Holy Roots hair oil from Fable Mane has me using oils again consistently. I've been using it for about 5 months now, and my scalp dryness is gone, which is crazy because it's literally winter right now. And I've also noticed new growth in my crown area. Like, I'm no longer balding. No, but seriously, my crown has always been thinner than my already thin hair, so I'm glad she's getting thicker. So I use this oil on a weekly basis. It is a pre-wash oil, but you can leave it in overnight before wash day just to get like a deeper remedy. But here's how I personally use it on wash day. I apply a dropper of oil directly to my scalp, making sure to target the crown and perimeter as those are my thinner areas. Then I massage my scalp for about 5 minutes. After that, I apply more oil, but this time to the length of my hair, smoothing my strands. If you have low porosity hair, maybe skip this step. I let the oil work its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes, then I begin wash day. It's a light oil that's not too heavy for my fine hair and washes out easily, so I have no problem hydrating my hair on wash day. Like, do you see how shiny my hair looks? I never thought oiling would benefit my routine, especially not like this. My hair looks healthy, shiny, and amazing.